What's up, everyone? I'm Curtis. This is my certified inspector, Maya. Together, we are the Mobile Master Tech. We provide a personalized automotive repair service to northern New Mexico. This isn't just a paycheck for me, and this isn't just another job that is a Monday to Friday and then I punch out. My work is my life and my life is my work, and that means that my schedule revolves around my clients. It revolves around you. I am so driven to provide people with a service that is beyond what they've ever experienced. And because of that, I really honestly love what I do. And it really impacts my life when I can impact your life. I think it's important for everyone to realize that when you trust your mechanic with the keys to your vehicle, you're not just trusting them with the keys to your vehicle, you're trusting them with the safety of your family. When you're out there looking for a repair facility or somebody to work on your car, you know, are they gonna take it seriously? Are they gonna really inherit the responsibility of working on your family's vehicle and keeping your family safe? I certainly will. And if you're the kind of person that wants a mechanic that will care, then you should give me a call, because we're here for you and we're here for our community.